Hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to create an account on Zoom so that you can join meetings in the future or classes or webinars. So basically, if you have a Facebook or Google account, this is going to be very simple for you. All you have to do is sign in with, click one of these options here. It is the same on mobile devices. Of course, you won't be clicking, you'll be tapping the screen on a mobile device. Um, but when you click on these, it's going to take you to a Google sign-in screen or a Facebook sign-in screen. And basically, all you have to do is type in what you use to log into those websites. Now, if you are not going to use those, you can create one. You can sign up for free. So I'm going to use my email here, and I actually need to change my email to a different one. So once I get that, I can go ahead and go from there. Okay, so it sent me the email to my email address. So what you're gonna do then is go to your email. I believe I'm gonna have to sign into that one. It may take a little bit. 1 second. I'll get back to you when I figure that out. Okay, so now I am in my email and it's going to ask me to sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click on that. And once I sign in with this email, it should let me in. What I ended up having to do was clicking forgot password because it actually did not give me a password when I went to confirm my sign-in from that Zoom email. So basically I just clicked on forgot password. They sent me another email and I used the link in that email to change my password. So you may have to do that also because they do not provide you with a password as soon as you make a new account. And so when I go to sign in here, it will put me into an account, and this account will allow me to join any Zoom meeting or Zoom class that is coming up. So here we go. I am in my thing here, and say there's a meeting I would like to join. Every meeting invite has a meeting ID, and it's a 10 or 11 digit number. I can't remember. But basically, it's the string of numbers at the end of any Zoom link, invite link that you would like to join, and that's how you would do it. So, say I go through here, right? This is our center's Facebook page. This string of numbers right here, this is actually a meeting I'm having Monday, July 27th. So these string of numbers at the end here, if I were to copy those, I could join that meeting. Now obviously, I'm probably not gonna get in because this meeting is not scheduled yet. So once you get here, your first meeting you do, it's going to want to install the app. Now, of course, if you're on mobile, your app will be in the App Store or the Google Play Store, and they have the symbol, the blue square symbol for Zoom. Just be sure it's actually Zoom before you download it. And once you do that, you would enter the same code on mobile also. So see here it says the meeting scheduled for July 27th, which is why it won't let me in, because the meeting has not came up yet on the calendar. So that is how you would join a Zoom meeting. So I'm now going to give you a little bit of an example of how you would handle installing Zoom and everything on a smartphone at the end of this video here. So that is what this next part is. I hope this does not confuse you. It's basically just showing you how to install the app on the smartphone. Everything else is pretty much applicable that was in this video. So I'm gonna send you to that video next. The first thing you want to do is go to the App Store, search Zoom, click the one that says Zoom Cloud Meetings. That's the one you're gonna want. Now, before I close this video out, I'm going to explain the main differences on installing the app between Apple and Android. On Android devices, instead of going to the App Store, you will use the app on your phone called the Google Play Store. And the app is called the same thing, and that is the main difference between the two.